This roasted curried cauliflower bowl with grilled bell peppers and a tahini sauce is super healthy and makes for a delicious lunch or dinner. Let's start by cooking the quinoa. It's really important that you wash the quinoa well first, otherwise it'll still be bitter when you cook it. Now add it to a pot along with some water and a little salt and cook it for about 20 minutes till it's tender. To roast the veggies, place the cauliflower florets and red bell peppers on a tray. You can either slice or cube the red bell peppers. Season the cauliflower florets with some curry powder, paprika, cumin, lime zest, salt, lime juice and oil. You can either use the same blend for the red bell peppers or like I do, just season it simply with some salt, pepper and olive oil. And then bake the cauliflower and red bell pepper in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes till they're tender and crispy at the edges. Now here comes my favorite part. This tahini dressing is the ultimate vegan dressing. And it's so delicious and creamy that I always have a jar ready in the fridge. All you need is some tahini, Dijon mustard, olive oil, lime juice, honey, salt and pepper. And then shake this all up till it's well combined. Just in case your dressing doesn't come together, here's a nifty trick. Add some iced cold water and then shake it up again. This will make your dressing ultra creamy. Finally, let's assemble our bowl. Add your quinoa, cauliflower, red bell peppers and if you like, some pickled onions to the bowl. And then top this all up with an extra generous helping of the dressing. And that's really all there is to it. The flavors are absolutely delicious. This is Richa from My Food Story and I really hope you like this recipe. See you next time.